Out just fine, doesn't it?
Yeah, I think it works great.
Looks out just fine.
One bottle.
Have a great night. It's going to be a good night to do that, too.
Al fresco?
It's going to be perfect.
Wouldn't tonight be a great night to eat outdoors tonight?
It would be, absolutely. And, we're going to have a great sunset due to the wildfire smoke that's right now in the atmosphere above us. You probably noticed the white. If you walk outside right now, I'll pause so you can just look outside right now. It is white above us. Why? Well, again, we've got some of that wildfire smoke coming in from Alberta, Canada. Amelia's going to talk a little bit more about that in a second. But temperature-wise, man, it's been beautiful all day, 77 degrees. Dropping through the 70s into the upper 60s by around 10 or 11. Nice, nice, and nice. Now, I can't say that same thing for tomorrow. We've got some changes coming in. Right now, 76 in Gaithersburg, 74 in Annapolis, 78 down towards Huntingtown. Average high is 81, so a little bit below average today. No rain currently. We're not going to see rain until about tomorrow afternoon, but we are going to see it, and it's all going to come from a storm system, which right now is back towards the west, providing some severe weather around Minneapolis into Minnesota and towards Wisconsin. This whole upper system is just going to meander down around our region during the day tomorrow, and we have a chance for some strong to potentially severe storms. With a little bit more on that, let's go over to Amelia right now. And Amelia, we're talking about that chance for severe weather tomorrow. We definitely think we're going to see the heavy rain, hail as well, but we're not talking what we saw on Sunday.
Right, absolutely. But we could be in a Storm Team 4 weather alert tomorrow, especially between about 2 and 9 p.m. as we see this disturbance move through, bringing with it potentially some very heavy rainfall that could lead to some isolated flooding. Some strong gusty winds. We could see wind gusts up to 60 miles an hour out there. That could lead to some wind damage. Also can't rule out some hail, likely on the smaller side, but it's still a possibility, and maybe a weak isolated tornado. But the biggest concerns tomorrow going to be very heavy rainfall, some strong winds, and some smaller hail. Here's the timing, 7 a.m. It's beautiful out there. The sun is still out. It's comfortable. It's not too hot. But the clouds, the heat, the humidity, and the winds all increase throughout the day tomorrow. Here's lunchtime. The clouds have moved in, but you'll see here at 2 p.m. the D.C. metro area is still mainly dry. Back to the west, though, storms are starting to fire. Here we are between about 3 and 4. Notice the brighter colors now showing up on future weather right around 5 p.m. and in the D.C. metro area. So this could slow down that evening commute. 6 o'clock, we're still tracking scattered thunderstorms and then maybe some rain overnight Wednesday into very early Thursday. This is not future weather. This is showing you the smoke from the wildfires Sunday at 5 p.m. So the green is going to be the smoke. These are up in Alberta, Canada, and this smoke making its way down into our area. And it's been impacting us Sunday, yesterday, and it continues to do so today, Doug. And again, we think it's going to make for a nice sunset. That meaning that the colors, the reds, the oranges are going to be much more intense out there tonight.
Yeah, it really could be quite nice as Whitty's drinking her bottle of wine outside. Really looking good for that. For the school kids, bus stop tomorrow, 65, nice weather there, 76 at recess, but then the chances of storms really pick up in the afternoon, 84 degrees by the time you're picking up the kids, and yeah, the chance of storms will definitely be there. A slight chance on Thursday, only a 30% chance, not really worried about that too much, but 88 degrees on Thursday, 87 Friday, 84 on Saturday. The weekend looking great, Saturday and Sunday now. Yesterday had a chance of rain on Sunday. Looks like Sunday should be mostly dry. We'll continue to keep watching that, though. That same storm system bringing us some showers, though, on Monday and into Tuesday.
Sounds like a winner. All right. Thanks,
Celebrating a century of women's suffrage.
Exactly 100 years ago, Congress approved the 19th Amendment, giving some women the right to vote.
And next on News 4, how local students are honoring the women who fought for that right.
Closed captioning brought to you by Belfort, Washington's largest furniture and mattress store. As we commemorate 50 years since the Stonewall riots, we must all stand up with pride and shout. Support the 2019 Celebration of Pride in the nation's capital. Join us at the Capitol Pride Parade and Festival, June 8th and 9th.
Out here, the best place to be is lost in the moment. Go to Bermuda.com.
I want to be blown away.
Cody is blind and autistic.
I've been to so many places. You have got the golden buzzer.
America's Got Talent, tonight on NBC.
America has found its next favorite show. Join these music superstars as they discover their next hit song.
That's a house song because you can buy houses with it.